Hello friends, today we are going to create some beautiful and simple watercolor cards. Let's get started. This thank you card is what we are going to paint today. The background may seem complicated, but I'm going to show you a technique with which it can be created within minutes. And also, you can add the choice of your words to create the card you want. Firstly, we have to adhere the watercolor paper to the board with the help of a masking tape. This serves as a border and also holds the paper in place. Then we have to apply a generous amount of water on the paper evenly with the help of a large brush. Then choose a few colors of your choice which you want for the background. And you have to splash them here and there and just spread it all across the paper. You don't have to be very particular here. You can roughly spread the paint on the paper, but make sure you don't have large gaps. Then here comes the magical part. You have to take a cling wrap which is little larger than the size of your paper. You have to apply it on top of your paint so that every part of the cling wrap is touched to the paper. And you have to push and create some impressions. You have to drag the cling wrap and create some small lines here and there and leave it as it is. You have to completely leave it untouched till the watercolor below the cling wrap is fully dry. Here we go, your background is ready. You can see some fine lines and natural highlights and shadows, and places you have bold colors and places you have less colors, which will create a magical background. And now here comes the wording. You can choose the words and just trace them in the pencil with a very mild mark. Once you are done, trace them back with a sketch pen. If you're confident enough to use a brush, go ahead. There you go. Your postcard is ready to be shared. It's very simple and quick. Try your own postcard and share your comments in the box below. By adjusting the length of the paper, the color of the background, and the quotes of your choice, you can create many beautiful cards and surprise your loved ones. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.